Hey, it's Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1955 Ford Crown Victoria. This car is very rare. It's one of 1,999 made with a glass roof. That's right, this car does have the glass roof, finished in beautiful red with white paint. Absolutely gorgeous with chrome American racing wheels. We're going to take a look at it. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1955 Ford Crown Victoria with the glass roof. Like I said, this car is very rare. One of 1,999 made in 1955. This car does have the 272 Y block in the car. It does have the Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission in the car as well. It's got power steering, four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes, and vintage air conditioning on this car right here. Vintage air, so we'll take a look. It does have the Continental Kit on the back, but we'll take a look at that as we get around to the back. We'll look at the passenger side of the interior first. All the interior is finished beautifully. Very, very nice and clean. It's got an upgraded radio. Like I said, that vintage air unit down there. Really, really nice and clean. I love the red and white interior. Very classy looking to match the outside. Got some good stuff there. So all the chrome looks good. Dash, no chips in the dash. Does have that glass roof, which is really cool. I'll show you from the underside as well. So very, very cool. We'll shut the door here. Take you on around the back and show you this Continental Kit on this car. Like I said, it does have the Continental Kit, and I'll show you how this works. You grab this black rod here, and the Continental Kit kind of slides out of your way, and I'll open the trunk for you. Inside the trunk, we do have the fender skirts that go with the car. See if we can do this one-handed here. There we go. Does have the fender skirts that go with the car. Another spare tire, so this one does have two spare tires. So if you do get a flat with this car, if you get more than one, you'll be ready to go. Like I said, it does have the fender skirts. So, but we'll shut the trunk here, and let me get this spare tire moved back. There we go. We'll get her started up. That sounds. Chrome looks good. Very, very nice and clean. We'll take a look at the driver's side of the interior. Like I said, all the interior looks great. The VIN plate. Pause that there. Break that down if you like. Shut the door here. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, underneath the hood's powered by the 272 Y block. It does have power steering, power four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes on the car. It does have vintage air on it as well. Just really, really nice. Does have dual exhaust on the car as well. So lots of great upgrades on this car. It's been well taken care of and very, very just nice and clean. Paint and body work is excellent. Shut the hood. And we'll take one more quick look at the 1955 Ford Crown Victoria. If you have any questions on this car, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on my website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1955 Ford Crown Victoria for a test drive and see how it does. We got the glass roof above us here. It's an absolutely gorgeous day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars just like this one. And we're going to take it for a drive and see how it does. Don't forget to stick around to the end of the video here. We do have a video of the underneath after the test drive, so stick around for that. And we'll show that to you after we get done with the test drive. We're going to take this one for a drive and see how it does. We do have a little bit of traffic rolling here. As soon as it clears out, we'll be ready to go. I have one sneak up on us there. As soon as it's done, we'll be ready to go. Right, here we go. Really runs and drives good, shifts through all the gears the right way. Really just an excellent run and driving car. It's got good power, no rattles or shakes in the car. Air conditioning works good. Does have an upgraded radio in it as well. But we're going to turn around and head back here. Let me show you the turn signals working here. There's that side. Both sides working. So we're going to turn around and head back. And like I do every time, I'm going to have George get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this car's made of. I think everybody decided to be on the road right when we were today. All right, here we go. Glass roof definitely puts it in for a pretty awesome drive. Something new cars don't even have is a full glass roof like that. So we are almost back here. Like I say every time, don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. It helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping, and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's that underneath video.